Hello everyone and welcome to step 7. Step 7 is a kind of a neat one as well. This is one where I'm going to show you how to resize your widgets. Now what I mean by that is we're going to resize them so you can fit multiple ones on one page. Or like on mobile they will appear one on top of each other, or on a desktop they can be right beside each other. So let me show you that. So I have a little test site up in here, and what I did is I added a content block widget. So let me go and show you this, okay? So before I click on this one, let me show you what it looks like over here, and it's right at the very bottom, okay? So there it is right there, and here it is right there. See, it's all by itself. So what I want to do is I'll even show you this. Nothing had been here, but what we're going to do in order to do this, we're going to have to go into the right down at the very bottom here, additional style for this widget, okay? So additional style for this widget is where I'm going to be able to adjust the size of the widget as it appears on a page. Let me even show you what I mean on desktop over in here. So see how this one is just right here, one on the page. What I want to do is put another one on the right of it, and maybe even one more. Okay, so let me show you how that is done. Okay, so I'm going to go all the way back to the beginning and show you this. Alrighty. So basically I'm going to have two pages, two widgets. Okay, so I got one here, so I'm going to go, say I want these ones right beside each other. I'll go back to this widget right here, and I'm going to make it 1/2. So let me show you that. Remember, I go all the way down to the additional options for this widget. Additional style, I'm going over here. Alright, desktop space is where we go. Okay, so now we're going to do this, let's just do 1/2, okay? Alrighty, so we just did that. So we've done one of them. Let's go back and do the second one. And you'll see it's already in half. Let's go over here and do this one. This one we're also going to do 1/2. Save it. Okay, so let's go back here and let's see what we've done. As you'll see, now they're right beside each other. Right beside each other. And now let's scroll down here and you'll see that they're just going to be right on top of each other on mobile. But when I go over here to desktop, now let me refresh this. Now you see how that's changed? They're right beside each other. Completely changed it. Okay, let me do one more example. We have it right here. Okay, so now if I want to add, let's do a third one. I'd have to go back in each one of these and make these each one a third. Okay, so let me show you again. I'll go in here. I think you guys will love this cool feature. We're now going to go to 1/3, save it. Simply go back and make them all a third. That's it. All the pages that you want to make a third, that is it. So I go to this one. See how simple this system starts to get and makes just incredible pages, incredible sites. A third again. And like any system, the more you practice it, the more you use it, the better you're going to get with it. Obviously I've been using this for quite a long time now, so we've had quite a few upgrades. Alright, so I got 1, 2. I need to put number 3 right over here. Let's just pick this one. Again, we're just repeating what we've already done. Additional style for this. Scroll on up, full width. We're going to go a third. We're going to save it. Okay, so not much will change on mobile because they will have to appear one on top of each other. That's the way mobile is, as you'll see over here. Let's get out of this here. Again, a great tip too as well is If you're building sites, you're going to want to make sure that you don't have a whole lot running in the background. I have a lot running in the background right now, which causes some speed issues, but that's literally my computer. Okay, you see how they're all on top of each other? That's mobile. That's the way it's supposed to be. Go over here. Remember, we have 2. Let me refresh it. Again, now we have 3. 1, 2, 3. Hey, yeah, this came across this way. Obviously, this is not one that you would be wanting to make into a third. It doesn't look right, but we're just showing you how to actually do that. So that's how you would do it. And that's it. So that is how you actually now resize them. So let me go right back over here. Okay. So now you see how there's 3 across. So it doesn't matter which ones you would pick, or create a new widget, use that one. You could have 3 or 4 across. You just pick what looks good. Okay, so thank you so much for viewing step number 7 on resizing your widgets.